Welcome to Hidden Psyche Secrets, where we uncover the hidden strategies to master your mind and reclaim your lost energy. Do you often feel completely drained after work, as if your soul has left your body before you even reach home? Instead of just sleeping more, we propose 7 practical changes to revitalize your spirit and body immediately after a long day. The first strategy is the fake commute, a crucial technique for those working from home who lack a physical boundary line. Spend 10 minutes walking outside before and after your work hours to signal your brain that the professional day has ended. This physical movement creates a necessary mental gap, allowing you to leave stress behind and enter your personal space feeling refreshed. Your brain needs this specific transition signal to switch gears from high-alert productivity mode to a state of relaxation. By establishing this simple ritual, you reclaim the mental separation between your career duties and your precious time for personal life. Stop treating your sofa as a black hole that sucks you in the moment you walk through the front door. Collapsing immediately often leads to hours of stagnation, making it nearly impossible to get back up and do anything meaningful. Instead, perform one intentional action first, like doing a quick stretch or preparing a simple meal, to keep momentum flowing. This small bridge of activity prevents the inertia of exhaustion from taking over your entire evening and stealing your free time. You will find that staying upright for just 10 more minutes gives you a second wind to enjoy your night. Create a specific after-work playlist designed to shift your internal state from stress and anxiety to peace and relaxation. Music has the profound ability to instantly alter our neurochemistry, signaling the nervous system that it is safe to unwind now. Whether you choose upbeat tracks to boost energy or calming lo-fi beats, let the rhythm wash away the office tension. Use this auditory cue daily, and your body will eventually learn to relax automatically the moment the first song plays. Do not give 100% of your best energy to your employer, leaving nothing but crumbs for your personal life. Learn to work effectively without burning out, ensuring you preserve a reservoir of patience and clarity for your loved ones. Your career is important, but it should not consume the vital essence that makes you a complete and happy human being. By managing your output during the day, you ensure that the version of you who comes home is still alive. Master the art of saying no without feeling guilty, establishing firm boundaries to protect your limited time for rest and recovery. You are not obligated to accept every invitation or request that comes your way when your battery is running critically low. Prioritizing your own mental health is not selfish. It is a necessary act of self-preservation in a demanding and noisy world. Guard your evenings fiercely, treating your downtime with the same respect and importance that you give to your professional meetings. Avoid the trap of doom scrolling, which tricks you into thinking you are resting while actually overstimulating your exhausted brain. Staring at a screen fills your mind with information and noise, preventing true psychological recovery and increasing your mental fatigue. Try sitting in silence, reading a physical book, or writing in a journal to allow your mind to truly decompress. True rest requires a break from input, giving your cognitive functions a chance to reset without processing new digital data. You will notice a significant difference in your clarity and mood when you disconnect from the digital world for an hour. Find something specific to look forward to every evening, creating a small spark of joy outside the work-sleep cycle. When your life becomes nothing but a loop of obligations, your spirit fades. So schedule a hobby or a treat. It could be a simple walk, a creative project, or a favorite show, giving you a reason to finish work. These moments of anticipation are what make life feel vibrant and meaningful, rather than just a series of completed tasks. Implementing these 7 changes will transform your evenings from a time of recovery into a time of genuine living and joy. Reclaim your energy and your time, because you deserve to enjoy the life you are working so hard to build. Thank you for watching Hidden Psyche Secrets. Subscribe for more insights into your mind, and see you in the next video.